Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on changing out my Ford F150, 32-inch antenna. Got this, ride in there, short antenna. So it's a real quick install. Just wanted to do it so off a little tight. Let's see if we can do it. So now we got it out. So now it's out. Now we have a rod in there, short, and as you can see, we have the threaded bottom here. And we definitely need this attachment so that you screw that into the antenna, and then you screw the other end to your truck. We're screwing in the smaller end of the attachment into the antenna like such, and then we'll screw this into where we have we pulled out our other antenna. Now all we're going to do is just kind of screw this in until we get it nice and snug, and I'll put a description to the antenna in the description of this video. A little slight tug, and there it is. Quite simple.